Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Vision Blue is a marking dye. This product is a temporary colorant to indicate where a product has been applied to. Use Vision Blue alongside herbicides or other chemicals to mark where you've applied your product to reduce drift, overlap, or skipping an area. Vision Blue is safe to use and it's non-toxic, but it's still recommended to wear gloves and working clothes. Vision Blue washes out of most surfaces with soap and water, but can stain others, so read the label before use. Mix Vision Blue at a rate of 32 fluid ounces per 100 gallons, or 0.3 ounces per gallon for small volume application. The more Vision you use, the darker your spray pattern will be. For small volume applications, add Vision right after you've added your chemicals to your sprayer. Agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Apply Vision with your herbicides, fertilizers, and fungicides to mark your spray patterns and ensure no area is missed and no product is wasted due to overlap. Vision Blue is safe to use. It's non-toxic, so it will not harm people or pets and washes off with soap and water. When used alongside other chemicals, it's still important to keep pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. After application, Vision Blue washes off most surfaces with soap and water. If applied to vegetation, it will fade away naturally over a few days or with rain. When used alongside other chemicals, be sure to let the product dry so as not to contaminate yourself with the chemicals or dilute them by washing away the dye. Vision Blue has no pest controlling properties on its own. It's only intended as a visual representation of where a product has been sprayed. Make sure to read the label before applying Vision to any surface to prevent staining.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.